So, Mike, we've taken a bit of a break this past week.
Yeah, it's been a bit crazy. I would say for me, I feel like it's been the past like 3 weeks. I've been feeling like I've just been kind of putting out fires and had some weather challenges with some high winds that actually affected a couple markets, but also our greenhouse roof over at our Great Neck location where, it just had a slight tear in it and the wind just picked up. I mean, I don't know what we were gusting at, but it must have been pretty big gusts because it ripped off a whole section of the greenhouse roof. Had to get up there and retape that and do a little bit of repair work just to get us through the spring season. Then we're gonna go and really do the repair this summer. We've had some issues with distribution. They're working so hard to get so much product out to 12 markets. We've got 12 markets this year. We've had 10 for multiple years in a row. So this is the first year that we've had 12 in a long time, which presents challenges. It's 2 extra markets full of product. We ship almost all of our products exclusively on our shipping racks, which causes a bit of a disruption there. So it's logistics and efficiencies and making sure that product's getting out on time and it's tagged correctly. And so I kind of dove into the distribution for a couple days and worked there, which I love doing. I love getting my hands dirty. I'm working with the crew and really kind of trying to diagnose some of the problems. So we worked on that. And then just really kind of like I said before, so much plant material has come in. We've got so many plants. It's a great time to come and shop at the garden center because this is one of those stretches of the year where, in the spring and in the fall, you get this kind of stretch where it's like you kind of have everything from, the small plants and the packs and the 4-inch all the way up to 6-inch and 8-inch in containers and huge hanging baskets. So it's a great assortment right now. It's just been a lot. So that's part of what the past few weeks have been like for me.
We have a brand new event.
Yeah, really excited. We've got the Spring Fling, which is a brand new event for us. So we've got some great deals, prime time period. This is kind of in between what I would call early spring and Mother's Day. So this is, like I mentioned, where we've got a lot of opportunities for customers to kind of be able to do whatever they might want to do, whether it's decking out their patio, planting up containers, doing their vegetable garden, herb garden, all of your annual plants, trees and shrubs are prime right now. Perennials are looking amazing. They're blooming like crazy. So there's just so many great options right now. So we came up with this Spring Fling where it's kind of like celebrate spring with great deals. There's so much coming up in the future here at the Garden Center. It's gonna be a wild May. So we've got the Spring Fling this weekend, and then after that, we're gonna wrap up our McDonald. But then right after that is Mother's Day, Flower Bomb Mom. So that's a huge, huge event for us. We've got our container days, which we're looking at maybe trying to revamp a little bit. I've got a meeting here in a minute that we're gonna talk about that. So much going on. That gets us to Memorial Day. Man, it just keeps on rolling here at the Garden Center.